Hi, my name is Chris.
Hi, I'm Kyle.
I'm Erin, and we are with the SIU Culinary Club, and one of our goals is to explore different kinds of cuisines. This week we're doing West African cuisine, and we're making a chicken stew that's traditional to West Africa and includes basic ingredients that you can find in any grocery store. The first step of this recipe is to cut the chicken into 1-inch cubes.
Cut off the tip of it right here. We'll discard that portion, and then I'm just gonna slice right down the middle. And then go ahead and thinly slice each half all the way down.
And for the next step, we're going to be mincing the garlic. So you want to just get it as small cuts as you can get so that it releases more of the flavor. My main tip is just to get the garlic as small pieces as you can, and that's going to release more of the flavor when it cooks.
And here we have our completed West African chicken stew. A very hearty dish, ingredients you can get just about anywhere, and very easy and fun to prepare. A great warm dish for any cold night.
This has been the SIU Culinary Club. Thank you for joining us.